Welcome to our math review on time. It is important that we are able to tell the difference between the hands on the clock. Here we have an example of the hands on the clock. The short hands tell the hour and the long hand tells the minute. One way to help remember that is that our word hour is shorter than the word minute. Hour short, minute long. In first grade, our goal is to be able to tell time to the hour and the half hour. So here's an example of a clock. When we look at the hands on the clock, we remember our hour hand is the short hand. That is pointing to the 2. Our minute hand is the long hand. That is pointing to the 12. So this clock here shows that it is 2 o'clock. Here's another example of a clock that tells us the hour. So here, think back to our hour hand is our short hand. So I start with the hour hand pointing to the 9. The minute hand is pointing to the 12. So this clock shows that it is 9 o'clock. Our next clock here is a little bit different. You will see that our hour hand, our short one, is pointing just past that 1. It's past the 1, but not quite at the 2. Now our minute hand, which is the long hand, is pointing to the 6. So this one shows that our minutes, we are halfway around our clock or at the half hour. So this clock shows that it is 1:30. When telling time to the half hour, it's important to remember that our hour hand will be in between the 2 numbers. So to tell which hour we are in, we need to remember to look to see what we are past. We are just past that 1, but not quite at the 2, so our time shows 1:30. Here's another example. So start with our hour hand, which is the short one. Notice that our hour hand is just past that 5, but not quite at the 6. So we are in the 5 o'clock hour. Now our minute hand, our nice long one here, is pointing to the 6. So that is halfway around our clock, which represents half an hour. So this clock here does show that it is 5:30. So it's important to remember the difference between our hour hand and the minute hand. So here we have a little rhyme to help us remember this. So hour hand short, minute hand long. Let me sing my analog song. I'm an analog clock. Tick, tick, tock. Here is my hour hand, short hands rock. My minute hand is long, but it rocks too. This analog clock song is just for you. So remember to practice. Practice telling time to the hour and to the half hour, and remember what happens when we are at the half hour, that our hour hand will be between those numbers. So make sure you practice.